GPS failure, which seems to happen when I don't get a fix fast enough. Alright, we're at an angle, 4.2 volts. I don't know why I didn't take the amp off there yet, it doesn't read. Alright.
Battery low.
That position hold was kind of working. Damn it. Alright, now we got a full position. This is me starting another flight because I crashed the other batteries. I don't know if I'm going to take a flight time on a crash. So I need to get a GPS fix out here. Alright. We start acro. Got 4.24 volts. Alright.
Battery low. Battery low. Battery low.
Oh man, I can't see because of the sun.
Signal low.
There we go, mark this up.
Battery low.
Khaleesi, stop! Hey!
Battery low. Battery low. Battery low. Battery low. Battery low.
Cut it out!
Battery low. Battery
Fucking dog, banging on the porch door. I can hear her crying now. Am I gonna have to cut this flight short too? Itching my eyes. Khaleesi, what are you doing? You better not be trying to open the porch door. Stop trying to open the porch door. Give me like 3 minutes.
Battery low. Battery low. Battery low. Battery low. Battery low.
I don't know how this stopped recording, but I have no battery, but it was still on. I don't know. Well, I flew 10 minutes on the battery. I took it, what'll look really low. I'm pulling out with the camera. What'll look really low on the footage, 3.3 on the dot, but these batteries bounce back to 3.6 as soon as you click unarm. But it's the only way to get close to using the 1,000 milliamps they advertise. Yeah, it was 1,000 milliamps, but you only get 800 out of it usually, and if I push it I can get like 900. I'll charge it back, see what I use, but yeah. But I'm gonna go plug it in and see what it bounces back to. Alright, normally I keep track of which one's the first battery and which one's the second. I tried to drain them both to the same amount, but let's I forgot to keep them separate. Alright, bounce back to 3.7. Alright, the other battery. I think the second one, I think the first one I drained more than the second. So I think this is the second one. I think I drained, no, the first one I drained more than the second. Yeah, so I think this is the first one. So I drained the first one more than the second. And then we're gonna see what these charge back. I'll do them individually just to know. So we're gonna plug this one in.